Hey folks, Matt at Central Georgia Marina. It's Monday, sun's shining, things are looking great, but you know what's so great about right now? Boat show season. What does that mean for you, the customer? Discounts, deals, time to buy a boat. If you're in the market for a boat, right now is the time. The Atlanta boat show's this weekend. There'll be tons of things to see there, lots of people there. Central Georgia Marina, we don't go to the boat show. We don't like them just for the fact of we just don't want to do them. We want to pass discounts to you. I have all types of boats. I have over 100 boats in stock right now. I have pontoons, wakeboard boats, bass boats, center consoles, pleasure boats, used boats. I have a little bit of everything right now. I even have some 2022 leftovers. Those I will give big discounts on right now and make deals. Come see us this week and the next week, and we will give you boat show discounts galore. Central Georgia Marina, centralgeorgiamarina.com, or call us 478-474-9995.